Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will be presenting the review paper entitled A Review on the Larval Development of Triploid Freshwater Commercial Fish. The researcher is me, Nur Amalin Shahira binti Abdul Hadi. My main supervisor is Prof. Datuk Dr. Anwar bin Hassan and my co-supervisor is Dr. Siti Ariza binti Arifin. For the introduction, the freshwater commercial fish larvae of the African catfish, Clarus gariepinus, strip catfish, Pangasanodon hypothalamus, and Tilapia Orochromys nauticus are the most common aquaculture fish produced. The triploid fish have 3 sets of chromosomes, unlike fertile fish that have 2 sets of chromosomes, which is a diploid fish. The triploid larvae are resistant to disease, sterile, and grow faster. The early life of the fish is characterized by morphological changes. For the problem statement, there are not many reports about the larval development of triploid freshwater commercial fish. The larvae of the fishes are often to high mortality and can undergo extreme morphological, physiological, and behavioral changes. Then, significance of study. First important of this research is to improve digestibility and promote growth. Second, benefits to farmer, which is easy to maintain a fish, high reproduction, and prevent extinction for some species. Third, improving hatchery in managing larvae, which is improve production control and increase the quality of the larvae. For the objective, the aim of this study is to identify the larval development of triploid freshwater commercial fish. For materials and method, there were 4 materials method that I highlight, which is search of strategy, the study selection, data organizing information, and PRISMA guideline. First, search of strategy. I searched the article from database such as Google Scholar, ScienceDirect, Skyhawk, Worldwide, FAO, and ResearchGate. Then I used keywords such as triploid larvae, larval development, growth larvae, Clarus gariepinus, Pangasanodon hypothalamus, and Orochromys niloticus. All the database research are exported into Mendeley desktop to remove duplicate. Second, the study selection. I filtered out all the duplicated articles by handwriting, articles that chosen by screening the title, abstract, and took full articles from the database research. Only paper that published in English and Malay were acceptable. Third, data organizing information. The information for each study were organized particularly according to the data research about the fish species and triploid larvae development, experimental method outcome, author's name, and year of publication. And the PRISMA guideline. PRISMA guideline will highlight for this review paper. 95 articles were found from the database Google Scholar, ScienceDirect, Skyhawk, Worldwide, FAO, and ResearchGate. After duplicate, there were 73 articles were disposed because the differences of characteristics. Then only left 62 articles were re-examined for qualification. After the assessment process, only 54 articles were chosen for this review paper. For results and discussion, first species is African catfish. The newly hatched larvae had developed eyes, shaped optic vesicle, and sharp teeth. Larvae have largely filled yolk sac, closed mouth, activation of circulatory system commons bubble at day 1. The exogenous feeding had commons fully and melanopores spread the cephalocaudally. Then the growth of the larval triploid was higher than diploid fishes. Triploid fish often grow faster and have better quality than diploid. Second species is strip catfish. The external morphological features were completely formed after 14 days old. The newly hatched larvae are quite transparent and light yellowish in color. The eye pigments was appear and the yolk sac is completely absorbed. The operculum, pectoral fin buds, bubble, and alimentary canal are distinct at day 4. At the end of 12th day, the stomach becomes functional and the aerial respiration starts. Based on the research, There are no significant differences between the triploid and diploid fishes in terms of larval growth. The third species is night tilapia. The larval development shown a pneumatic duct connects the swim bladder to digestive tract, and it was inflation and initiation feeding occur. An endocrine pancreatic was first seen 76 hours after fertilization within ectoderm covering the head, body, and tail. The posterior part of notochord can be seen in tail bud dorsal and cell of anterior part of notochord at day 2. Based on the research, the development larvae of triploid night tilapia were significantly different from the diploid fishes. The average body weight of triploids significantly higher than diploid larvae. Survival larvae among triploids was inferior to diploids. For conclusion, based on the research, the larval development on triploid larvae shown that were significantly different compared to diploid fishes for the African catfish and night tilapia, then no significantly difference for striped catfish. These triploid fish larvae are of potential benefits for aquaculture and fisheries management because they are sterile and sterilization can overcome the detrimental effects of sexual maturation or normal growth of fish. Almost the farmer will use the method of triploids because of their benefits such as grow faster and sterile fish. Here this is my references for my research. That's all from me. Thank you.